Okay, to identify corresponding and alternate angles, there are two types of alternate angles and then the corresponding. The corresponding angles are angles that are in the same side of the parallel lines and the same side of the transversal. The transversal cuts the parallel lines. So in other words, right top and right top, those would be corresponding. Or you could have left top, right bottom, left bottom, left bottom. Those are corresponding angles. Alternate interior are two angles inside. Interior means inside and alternate means opposite sides of the transversal. So like that or the other way. Alternate exterior, exterior means outside the parallel line, opposite sides of the transversals. Okay, so we want to give a pair of corresponding angles, a pair of alternate exterior angles, and a pair of alternate interior angles. So let's just talk about angle 1. You can choose, there's a whole bunch of different combinations that would be correct for this. Corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal. Let me highlight the transversal for you. It's the same side of the transversal, which cuts the parallel lines, and the same side of the parallel lines. So if this is on the top of the first parallel line, then this would correspond to that. So angle 1 and angle 5 would be corresponding. Alternate interior are inside the parallel lines, opposite the transversal. So let's go with inside the parallel lines 3 and opposite the transversal on the other side of the green line is 6. So angle 3 and angle 6. And then alternate exterior would be on the outside of the parallel lines, opposite the green line. So angle 1 and angle 8. Those are just examples. Okay, so the next one, here's the transversal. That's where we make all our reference points to the transversal. And let's go ahead and highlight the parallel lines, even though they don't exactly look parallel, but that's okay. Yes, they are. Okay, the parallel lines corresponding. So angle 5 is the right hand side on top of the transversal, on top of the parallel line. So right hand side of the transversal on top of the other parallel line is angle 7. And then alternate interior, where interior is inside. So angle 6, alternate means opposite side of the green line, and angle 3. So angle 6 and angle 3. And then alternate exterior, angle 1 is on the outside, and on the other side of the transversal, the outside, is angle 8. Okay, so it doesn't matter how they're angled, how the lines are angled. The single line that's not across from any other one, that's your transversal. The other two lines are the parallel lines. Okay, corresponding. Let's go inside the parallel line, to the right of the parallel line on top of the transversal. So to the right of the parallel on top of the transversal. So that would be angle 3 and angle 7. And then alternate interior, well, 3's inside the parallel lines, and on the opposite side of that is 5. So angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior. And then alternate exterior, outside. Well, one is outside of the parallel lines and the other one outside of the parallel lines is 7 that's alternate on the other side. So angle 1 and angle 7.